Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about translation questions. Translation questions ask you to take a statement verbally written, turn it into a math equation so that you can solve it. So carefully translating verbal statements into math just requires understanding that the order of a verbal statement isn't always the same as the math statement. So for example, if I said what's 5 less than y, it would not be 5 minus y, it would be y minus 5. So just be careful when you're translating that you don't just write everything in the order that you see it, but you think about what is actually conveyed through the sentence. Now here's a key for translation questions. There are certain words that always mean the same thing. Of means multiply. What is 10% of 100? It would be 10% times 100. Is means equals. What is 5 times 2? What equals 5 times 2, or 10? What number? You generally want to just treat this as x. And that way you can solve. So if I said what number is equal to 5 times 2, x is equal to 5 times 2, or 10. And the last one is what percent. Now if you put x over 100 into your equation when you see what percent, the nice thing is you'll solve for the x as a percentage. And if the answer was 20%, you would get 20. If you put x in there, you're going to get 0.2, and you just have to realize that the answer isn't 0.2%, it's 20%. So let's look at an example here and solve it together. When a number n is multiplied by 5, the result is the same as when 9.6 is added to 20% of n. What is the value of n? So when a number n is multiplied by 5, that's 5n. The result is the same. That is the same as equals. 9.6 added to 20% of n would be 9.6 plus 0.2n. Now that we have our equation, it's a simple algebraic problem. So we're going to subtract 0.2n from both sides, yielding 4.8n equals 9.6. And solving for n equals 2, and we're done. So just make sure that you're aware of the fact that the order is not always the same in the math equation as it is in the verbal statement, and that you can directly change certain words for certain mathematical symbols, and you should be all set. Hope to see you soon in another one of our videos. Thanks.